Hello students. So today we are going to learn more nouns. These nouns are much related to the time. Okay. So the time of the day. So there are some nouns in this part which are more related to days in means the time of the day more often. So we'll just go through it. So the first one, as you can see over here, Z-E-I-T, Zeit. As I told you, for the English speakers, Z is nothing but TZ or TS. So the sound which we use for saying TS, it has that sound. Then it has a sound if we are native speakers of some other language or a national language. So then you should know that it is half the and half s. So when you say it, okay, it is not zebra. It is not zebra at all. It is Zeit. Zeit. Yeah, the and s little. Zeit. Then Zeiten. Uhrzeit. Uhrzeit. U sound should come. U. Uhrzeit. Uhrzeiten. Fair. Fair sound we already know, students. Fair. Now we cannot say spa because A with two dots are mentioned. So it will become A. Sound of A. Spe. Okay. Verspätung, Verspätungen, Verspätung, Verspätungen. Next one, Termin, Termine, Termin, Termine. Verspätung, Verspätungen. You can write the whole word and then put en at the end. I have just made a shortcut, okay? You all do it in a systematic manner. Termin, Termine, Termin, Termine. Zeitangabe, Zeitangaben. The same word write again, only at the end add n for number. Satz, za, z sound. In German, s is more of z sound, z for Zenkar. Satz, zz, za and ze, za and ze, zz. Ausdruck, 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 Ausdrücke, Ausdruck, Ausdrücke. Fußball, Fußball, Fußbälle, Fußball, Fußbälle. U sound. Next, Zeitung, Zeitung, Zeitungen, Zeitung, Zeitungen. Next, Dialog. You have to say first Dialog, Dialoge. Now students, here the Ausdruck word is there. Here two dots are not there. Okay, so please erase it. By mistake I have written over there. You all erase it from here. In the plural over there, keep it. Okay, in the plural it's there. In the singular, two dots are not there. So we will say here u, or in English u, and here we are going to say you. Yeah, or else in English you. Ausdruck, k. Here u. Ausdruck, here Ausdruck. Fußball, Fußbälle, Zeitung, Zeitungen. Dialog, Dialoge. Uhr, Uhren. Calendar, Kalendern. It is RN. Okay, it is RN. Kalendern. Elter, Eltern. RN. Schule, Schulen. Now, if you search, students, this particular word actually has two genders. It's sometimes also used in the neutral way. Yeah, but most often 80% of the population, they can use it as a male. This is not a male parent, of course. It is just a parent. Schule, Schulen, N. CH is K. Doctor, CH, K. How we say doctor? In the same way it is doctor. Doctor. Here O with two dots, so yo. And CH is sh over here. Tyoster, Tyoster. Doctor, K and sh. Next. Zone, S-O, zo. zone, 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 your own, okay, and your yo, zio, zone, regel, 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 trumpeter, trumpetin, saxophone, saxophoner, saxophone is nothing but saxophone in English, hobby, hobbies, hund, hunder, Nachricht, Nach, ch, Risht, sh, k and sh, Nachricht, Nachrichten, Kurs, Kurse, Sprachkurs, Sprachkurse, Ratur, Raturen, Ratur, Raturen. Rad is also used for Farad. We have seen the word Farad already. So Farad was cycle. So Rad is a short form of cycle. So Ratur, Faratur or Ratur we say in German. Next page, only 2 nouns are left. Means few nouns are left. Kneipe, Kneipen, Kneipe, Kneipe, Kneipen. Besprechung, Be. Try to say Be. Don't say B. It is Be. Spray, Schung. Besprechung, Besprechungen. There are many words for meeting in German. One word we already learned was meeting itself. One more word was Termin. Now we are saying Besprechung. There is one more word, Verabredung, which will come later. So there are many words, your choice which one to use, but you should know the alternatives. Firma, Firmen, it is the company. When you say problem, it looks so similar to English word, so don't say problem. It is not problem. It is problem, pro. Like how we say pro, you are pro in a game. Problem, problemer. Kundin, kundinen. Target site, target siten. Target site, target siten. These are few nouns. Please practice those. And the most important, whenever you all are trying to learn these vocabularies, it will come within a span of time. Give yourself time. That doesn't mean be lenient with yourself. I mean to say that revise on daily basis and then after a month see your progress. Yeah. So on daily basis, if you are revising, on daily basis doing the work of that day is not enough. On daily basis revising from the page 1 to the till the date, whatever you have learned, that is important. So keep on revising and then you will of course find a difference within a month. Students, most of you all ask me the doubts about the genders, how to keep in mind, about the vocabulary, how to keep in mind. That comes with the practice. That comes how much time you are giving to that language, students. See, if for more about I want to talk more about the gender part, because each and every student has that doubt. You all have doubt that how to memorize that this particular noun is going to have female gender or neutral gender or male gender. So I'll tell you about it. Now how it happens, students, like now I am a trainer. So I have to give this genders information to each and every student about each and every vocabulary. So that is in my daily routine. So if it is in my daily routine, that means what? That I am taking an effort to tell to my children that what is the gender of this noun. I have to continuously speak in front of them. I have to show them. When I'm showing them, I also have to see those nouns. So because of this, my mind has registered the genders. Yeah. Because of the repetition. So you also try to repeat. Now you all are not the trainers for sure, but now I am taking the I am repeating the vocabularies for my students. You all can repeat the words for your own self. So take a book on daily basis, look at that words, say it loudly, and then your mind will register within a 1 month. But it should be a regular process. Then only your mind will register it. Yeah. So whatever you listen on daily basis, like for example, if you're taking 10 nouns on day 1, take 10 nouns that you're going to learn the 10 nouns with their genders. Take it. Okay. Once you have learned this 10 nouns with their genders, take random nouns, whichever you want to take that day. So some few male, some female, some neutral if you want to take. So if you want to take a mixed, take 10 nouns. learn it by heart. Try to use it today in one form of sentence. Yeah, keep the sentence simple, keep it very simple. Like you can use some nouns. Gross means big. Then you can use the now some words like klein. This is adjective. Okay, so klein means small. So small things. You can use the word alt means old. Yeah, so use this. Try to use these words with some of the nouns which are suitable to these words. Or I'll just say that I am buying this thing. Like for example, I am buying. Now if you don't if you can't use an adjective, you use the word kaufen, because we generally buy everything what we learn, the vocabularies. Okay, ich kaufe, or you can use the word brauche. Ich brauche. Try using this ich kaufe or ich brauche with those vocabulary. For example, you are taking the words today to learn the Tasche. Tasche means female, means bag. And then you are taking the word to learn is Arbeitsbuch, that is neutral. Then you are taking the word to learn Hund. Hund means dog, that is male. So like this you take 10 nouns and then you say that ich kaufe then Hund. Means you know that okay, Hund is male. So your mind will register that. Ich kaufe die Tasche. So die Tasche means it is female. So this 10 nouns, try to make sentence 3 days at least. Yeah, on regular basis. Then take next 10 sentences. When you take the next 10 sentences, don't forget this 10 sentence. So then you are going to make sentences with this 20 vocabularies. Like this you keep on increasing your target. So whenever you are going forward, don't forget the backward vocabularies. So for not forgetting the previous one, you try to frame sentences together till the date. Yeah. So this is how it will help you. There are no tricks as students. Like if you search on internet, they will give you many hints. Okay, these words ends. If this alphabet ends with this, then try to use it is female. Or if this is the starting, then this can be male. But it takes a long time to go through that. And there are many exceptional cases for those cases also. So why to take a chance? So take an effort. I know it's not a native language. So we have to take a effort from our end. Yeah. So do that on regular basis. Don't think much about genders as such. With the flow, be regular to your effort. If you are regular to your effort, I am damn sure that you will register those vocabularies with their gender in your mind. Yeah, don't sit and take a stress like how I'm going to learn the gender. If you're taking a stress and if you're getting like less confident about it, then of course you're not going to learn it. Be confident. Even if you make mistakes with the genders, it's fine at the beginning, but it is fine to make mistakes if you are regularly revising the vocabularies with their genders. It is not fine to make mistakes if you're not revising only. Then of course you're not going to learn it throughout your life. So this is very important.